Hello, welcome again. I'm Director Balin Henry and I'm back again with another tutorial concerning Afrobeat fusion with the Ohangla. So before I get into it, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share and comment, okay? And also on a comment section, write for me whatever you think that I should be doing or I should be improving on what I'm doing. So thank you for watching. Let's dive into it, okay? I've sampled some of the things. Using one challenge. So that's a little bit about it. But on this percussion there's hi-hats. This is my sample, I do record them, do them together.
It's all about Director Balin.
So here we go. I want to begin with the first melody, okay? So I've actually done part of percussion, so it's just playing the melody. So here we go. Melody. That's melody. So that's guitar, I've added guitar. That's bass line. Baseline if you have monitors. Yeah, so that's baseline. And then I added flute, this one. So that's the vibe, and now this is the thing. When I add hi-hats.
It's all about Director Balin.
So that is the arrangement. Though some of the I had made some of the percussions.
It's all about Director Balin.
So that's how I made that beat. Okay? Remember to subscribe.